glad that you've chosen manual VBA coding option. This is personally my favorite. I know this is little lengthy, but trust me guys, more we do manual coding, more we get ready to take over those big automation in assignments coming our way. So let's proceed with automation, manual automation. So in the first button, we will allow user to click on it and will provide a browse button where user can locate the folder containing multiple files. No need to worry, this is pretty simple. We have an inbuilt function, file dialog picker. How to use that so that it functions as a browse button, I have clearly, you can view it in the code. Similarly, for a second button, we code to allow user to select the master file once he clicks on it. Again, this would be a browse button. This is very simple code, hardly 3 lines of code. You can view the code and easily understand. We will use again inbuilt function dir, which will provide us with the path of the file that user chooses. Now let's code for the final third button, which is collation. So here we would declare multiple handlers as a variable that would handle individual workbook file and the master file, because we need to copy the data from individual file to the master file. And along with this, we'll use a for loop to loop through all individual files, because we need to copy the data from each of the individual files to the master file. And then we use if function to test the file name, and based on the file name we would copy a look and paste it in the appropriate range where it is required to be pasted on the master file. And after each if execution, I would put a code to save the workbook data, and then finally put a message box. You can now view the code and relate with the code. Now we click on the collate button, and as you can see, the automation has been executed and we have the output. I'll quickly enlarge it for you guys to view.